Hello Gemini, Sun Rising and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all po. Gemini, po na mensahe po ninyo Empress Energy. So this is about prosperity and abundance coming your way. Gemini, no? Napakaganda nito, lalo-lalo na pagdating sa kaperahang aspeto ninyo. This is the time or period wherein merong mga opportunities, financial opportunities na maaring pumasok sa buhay ninyo. That could be related to investments, trabaho, karera, negosyo, no, na maghahatid sa inyo ng abundance. At saka, this is also a mother archetype, kaya maaaring ang iba sa inyo dito is becoming a mom. Probably din na nangangalaga kayo ng inyong pamilya, nangangalaga kayo, hands-on yun, or nangangalaga kayo ng mga ibang tao, no? Baka trabaho ninyo yun, baka nagtatrabaho kayo as a caregiver, nurse, mga ganon, no? Or nanny, something like that. This is also a calling for you, Gemini, na alagaan nyo din ang inyong sarili. While you are taking care of other people, don't forget or don't overlook your own personal needs. Nurture yourself as well, no? Take care of yourself. Nurture yourself, alright? We have 10 of water. This is really beautiful din kasi domestic happiness, domestic bliss, masaya ang pamilya, masaya ang lahat, no? Sa pamilya kasi maaring meron ditong contentment na kayong nararamdaman, your needs and your wants maybe nandiyan na, nahahawakan nyo na, nai-enjoy nyo na, at saka kung ano yung emotional and material needs ninyo at ng inyong pamilya ay maaring na ibibigay nyo na, no? Kaya very rewarding ito para sa'yo. At tsaka ang mahalaga dito, no? Masaya kayong lahat, nagkakaintindihan, you're experiencing happy family. So congrats to that. We also have the High Priestess. And so divinely guided kayo, no, sa lahat ng ginagawa siguro ninyo or gagawin nyo pa lang. Rest assured that ginagabayan kayo ng Panginoon, ginagabayan kayo ng inyong spirit team. Ang mahalaga dito ay pinapakinggan po ninyo ang gabay na yan, and mostly yung gabay na yan pumapasok sa atin through our intuition. Kaya trust your intuition, trust what you are getting na information and messages. Listen, no? Listen to your intuition. Yun ang lagi ninyong ipapractice dyan. At saka, gawin ninyo kung ano yung gabay sa inyo, kasi yan ang maghahatid sa inyo sa kung saan kayo dapat makarating, so kung ano kung ano ang dapat ninyong gawin. Okay? What else? We have 5 of Earth. Ayan. So, ang iba siguro sa inyo sa ngayon, nagkakaroon ng worries about money. Pero, sa Empress Energy, merong paparating na blessings, no? Financial blessings. Kaya, just keep your hope and faith, alive sa puso ninyo, kasi kung anong kailangan ninyo, yan ay dadating, yan ay ipoprovide sa inyo ng universe. Okay, we have 3 of fire. This is good fortune energy. Siswertehin kayo around this time. Abundance is coming your way definitely. Gemini, with the Empress energy, 3 of fire, definitely there is lavish abundance na paparating sa inyo. Kaya tanggalin nyo na yung negative energy na to, tanggalin nyo na yung mga worries ninyo, tanggalin ninyo yung mga negative feelings and emotions ninyo, because that can stand in between you and your swerte, no, at this time. Papasok dito yung swerte sa inyo, papasok yung abundance, kaya huwag kayong mag-alala right? Things are going to look very good. No, this is the start of a beautiful life ninyo. You are going to be abundant and prosperous. Kaya, patience lang muna. Okay? Patience lang. It will come. We have 9 of air. Ayan. So, nag-ano kayo talaga, nag-worry, Maybe this is still related to the 5 of earth energy. You're worrying too much. Gemini, kaya I really suggest, no, na i-transmute nyo yung worries ninyo na yan into something positive, no? Positive thoughts, feelings, and emotions, positive outlook, positive mindset lang tayo, Gemini, para positibo lang din ang ma-attract natin ng energy towards us. Hindi natin masabotage, no, yung good fortune na to, yung abundance na yan, alright? So, good luck. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste.